I used to be the person who avoided Excel like the plague. Formulas, charts, pivot, what? I thought Excel was only for analysts or finance pros. But then, my boss asked me to just clean up this report. I opened the sheet, stared blankly, and realized I had no clue. That night, I made a decision. I would learn Excel, not in months, in 5 days. I didn't spend a rupee. I just followed a free plan I made using YouTube and blogs. Day 1, basics, cells, formatting, shortcuts. Day 2, formulas like sum, if, VLOOKUP. Day 3, tables and filters. Day 4, pivot tables and charts. Day 5, real-world practice. I created a full dashboard. The result? I became the go-to person at work. My work got faster, my confidence grew, and eventually so did my pay. You don't need a course that costs 20,000 rupees. Just 5 days and the right mindset. Here's how you can do it too. Day 1, start with the basics. Understand how to use cells, how to format them, what different shortcuts do. This will make your life easier and save those precious minutes. There are a ton of great videos on this online. I'll link some in the description below. Day 2, learn basic formulas. How to use sum, if, VLOOKUP. These are widely used, and knowing them will help you do more complex calculations easily. Again, there are some great videos on this online. I'll drop links below. Day 3, understand how to use tables and filters. This is a game changer when it comes to analyzing data. Once you know this, you can easily sort and filter data, get quick insights, and summarize your findings. Day 4, learn pivot tables and charts. Pivot tables help you summarize and analyze large amounts of data quickly. Charts help you visualize your data and tell a story. There are some wonderful resources online. I'll share the link below. Day 5, practice, and practice some more. Create a dashboard using real-world data. You can use sample data or use your own. This will help you put everything you have learned into practice and build a great portfolio piece. This free plan might just be the most valuable thing you learn this year. So go on, give it a shot. And remember, it's not about the number of days. It's about the consistent effort you put in. So set aside 1 hour each day for 5 days and commit. No excuses. If you do this, I promise you, you will see results. Don't believe me? Ask Sarge. He went from zero to Excel hero in just 5 days. What are you waiting for? Go on, click that like button, and let's make this happen.